Hello, my dear students. So today we are going to discuss about the laboratory preparation of carbon dioxide gas. This laboratory preparation of carbon dioxide gas is a very important topic for SE students, and most of the time it is being asked in long question in SE examination. So let us discuss about the laboratory preparation of carbon dioxide gas. So how this carbon dioxide gas is prepared in the laboratory. So let's start with the principle. The principle that is involved in the laboratory preparation of carbon dioxide gas is this gas is prepared in the laboratory by the reaction of marble chips or limestone or egg shell with dilute hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid. So the reaction involved in this process is, here the formula of marble chips is CaCO3. It is called marble chips or limestone, or we can also call it calcium carbonate. It reacts with dilute hydrochloric acid. The formula of dilute hydrochloric acid is HCl. Then when they react together, they produce calcium chloride, water, and carbon dioxide gas. We show the carbon dioxide gas by downward arrow because this carbon dioxide gas is heavier than air and it goes down. Now, what will be the apparatus setup and how the chemicals are allowed to react in this process? Let's see by the diagram. Here in this process, we use a bottle having two opening. The name of this bottle having two opening is called Wolf's bottle. This bottle is called Wolf's bottle. Wolf's bottle. In the beginning, we transfer some marble chips in the Wolf's bottle. Marble chips in this Wolf's bottle. Then after transferring marble chips, we fit a funnel called thistle funnel in one of the mouth of this Wolf's bottle, one of the opening of this Wolf's bottle. And in the other one, we fit delivery tube. And then delivery tube is set into the gas jar. These are the apparatus that are set as shown in the diagram. Now, this thistle funnel, whenever we talk about funnel, and funnel is a structure generally used to transfer liquid from one container to another container. And here in this process, we use dilute hydrochloric acid, HCl. This dilute hydrochloric acid is in liquid state, so it is transferred through this thistle funnel into the wolf's bottle. Up, After transferring the dilute hydrochloric acid into the wolf's bottle through the thistle funnel, they start reaction. And after reaction, what happens? Calcium chloride, water and carbon dioxide are formed. This calcium chloride and water remain in this wolf's bottle, whereas carbon dioxide gas passes into the delivery tube and reaches to this gas jar. Gas jar. This carbon dioxide gas, when comes in the gas jar, it settles down and it pushes the air in upward direction. So here, as carbon dioxide is heavier than air, it pushes the air up. We call it upward displacement of air. Carbon dioxide gas is collected in the gas jar by upward displacement of air. This is delivery tube. A tube which delivers something is called delivery tube. And here the delivery tube is delivering carbon dioxide gas from this wolf bottle to gas jar. Now, when the gas jar becomes full, then how do we know whether the jar is full or not? This carbon dioxide is a colorless and odorless gas. So we don't see whether the jar is full of carbon dioxide gas or not. So to know that, we have to keep a litmus paper here, blue litmus, wet blue litmus, which changes to red. When it changes to red? When the jar is full of carbon dioxide gas. You know, in this lab preparation, we use acid. And since we use acid in the lab preparation of carbon dioxide gas, carbon dioxide is acidic gas, and acidic gas turns blue litmus paper to red. So here, since it is acidic, it turns blue litmus paper to red. Now, why we don't collect this carbon dioxide gas in a gas jar containing water? Why we collect in this empty gas jar? Because this carbon dioxide gas is highly soluble, not highly soluble, soluble in water. Soluble in water. And due to that, if we try to collect it in a jar containing water, then it get dissolved in water and we will not get carbon dioxide gas. Now, after the jar is full, how do we check whether the gas in the jar is carbon dioxide or not? Test of carbon dioxide gas. Test of CO2 gas. Carbon dioxide gas is neither combustible nor supporter of burning. So, test number one we can do. If we bring a burning matchstick near to the mouth of this delivery tube, or we bring that burning matchstick inside the gas jar containing carbon dioxide, then the matchstick extinguishes. So this burning matchstick test is test number one. Test number two, which is also known as the sure test. If we pass this carbon dioxide gas in lime water for short time, then lime water turns milky white because when we pass this carbon dioxide gas in lime water for short period of time, it forms calcium carbonate, and due to that, milky white color appears. But if we continuously transfer that carbon dioxide gas in the same lime water for long time, then what happens? The milky white color disappears, because what is formed after that? Calcium bicarbonate is formed. For short period of time, if carbon dioxide is passed in lime water, then CaCO3 is formed, which gives milky color, milky color. But if we pass for long time, then calcium bicarbonate is formed. Calcium bicarbonate is formed, due to which milky color disappear. This is called the sure taste of carbon dioxide gas. Now, after testing carbon dioxide gas, we have to know some of the properties, physical properties and chemical properties of carbon dioxide gas. You know, this gas, as we don't see, it is a colorless gas. It do not have any smell, so it is odorless gas. And this gas is slightly sour in taste. Since it is acidic gas, it gives faint sour taste, because when it come in contact with water, it forms carbonic acid, which is faint sour in taste. Then this carbon dioxide is heavier than air. How much times heavier than air? Nearly 1.5 times heavier than air. So due to this property of carbon dioxide, it is used as fire extinguisher gas. Since it settles down, cut off the supply of oxygen in the fire, it acts as the blanket of fire and is used as the fire extinguisher gas. So which property is responsible there? Carbon dioxide is 1.5 times heavier than air, and it is neither combustible nor supporter of burning. That is why it is used as fire extinguisher gas. So the remaining properties we will discuss in the next video. For today only this much. Thank you very much.